I am $40,000 in debt as a flight attendant. I am filming this in my empty home that I almost sold, but I chose not to because the bigger picture of all of this, things will get better and I will grow in my life. And I wanted to show you guys that even when you are at your lowest of the low, you will rise. So this channel, I'm pivoting this channel to do more of rebuilding as a flight attendant. If you enjoy flight attendant content, give it a watch. I'm going to teach you guys I'm going to show you guys myself getting out of debt and each step that I'm taking to reach that goal. So this is not going to be glamorous. It's not really going to be, perfect editing. We'll get into all that later. Oh, we might not. I kind of like filming like this. So how I got into $40,000 of debt. First, I used to live in California. And when I lived in California, I lived a different lifestyle that I currently live because I had the income to match. I moved from California back to my now location. I thought I put that on Do Not Disturb. And from there, I got a lower paying job. Well, actually, I can tell y'all, I worked at a hotel. And then from the hotel, I became a flight attendant, which is my dream job. And flight attendants don't make that much money. We make roughly, when you're starting, like $25,000, depending on which airline. I'm with the regional airline, so I make roughly like $25,000 a year. Now, I personally can live on that if I didn't have any debt, but I have debt, which is over my $25,000 salary, but it's okay, because we'll make more money later on. Just stay tuned. I brought my habits from California to here. I had a house in California. I sold it, moved here to my current location, bought another home, and then instead of saving my money, I actually put like $20,000 into this home for a remodel. I shouldn't have done that. So that started my hole. And from there, I just lived life. I accumulated more credit cards. I was going traveling because you're a flight attendant, so I'm traveling the world. I'm buying food. Oh my goodness. I was just living my best $25,000 salary life. And I don't regret none of it. So for example, I went to China and China was a whole vibe. I would have never got the experience. I saw the Great Wall of China, but I was broke. So I said, we'll worry about that later. But anyways, fast forward to today. I am sharing this with you guys so that you can follow me along my journey as I get out of the hole and I start to rebuild wealth from the ground up as a flight attendant. If this matches your vibe, click the subscribe button and join me because I got lots of surprises for you guys. You don't want to miss out. Please follow my journey. It's going to be a vibe. And you guys are going to witness your buddy here grow in life. And you're going to grow as well because I'm not just doing this channel for me. I am doing this channel to motivate and inspire others who are in the same boat as myself. So yeah, if this channel resonates with you, feel free to subscribe and let's get to work. Peace.